about voting Moose?
That's right, folks. He's well deserving.
That ball struck well. Rios is back at the wall, and it will leave the yard. A home run by James Loney, his third of the year.
There you go. You don't take advantage of a bases loaded, no out opportunity, you can't score, and wouldn't you know, the momentum shifts right over to the Rays dugout. First pitch, wind blowing